So, nasa boarding gate na tayo. Ayan guys, nasa loob na kami.
Once again, you're all ready. Our flight to London stands to thank you.
Umuulan na siya, oh. Diretso lang tayo. Yan. Yan na yung mga hotel transfer. So, ayan na yung aeroplano. Sakay na tayo dyan, guys. Ha? Oh, siguro.
1ABC, row 2 to EF, row 16 and row 17. If you are seated in one of these rows, these are emergency exits and must be kept completely clear of all bags and jackets and placed in the overhead lockers.
And secure by pulling the loose end. To open a seatbelt, lift the buckle cover. In case of a loss of cabin...
Once again, you're all ready. Our flight to London stands to thank you.
Carousel 2, galing ng Cork. So, dito na tayo sa Stansted, London. Ayan, paunti-unti pa yung mga pagkain dumadating.
Oh, that found it. We have to go back.
Yeah. Number 2, baggage claim. Yeah. Dito tayo mag-claim ng ating baggage. Yan. So, ayan na, nakuha na namin yung aming bagahe. So, diretso na kami sa aming accommodation sa hotel.